viewers, welcome to my channel with Reena. I am Reena Mukherjee. I share lots of recipes from regions of India and some world cuisine also. So I hope you will like it, and please come and watch the video, full video, and do leave your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. It will please support me to grow, and I hope you will like it. Come and join me. Let's see what's cooking today. Hello viewers, can you guess my recipe today? Just see, there are bell peppers, chicken pieces, some zucchini and the green curry. Yeah, it's Thai green curry with chicken. So viewers, if you wish to learn this, homemade, everything is homemade. Even the Thai curry paste, I have made it at home, and you can follow that recipe in my previous video. I'll give the description box, the recipe link I'll give there. And do join me now in Cook with Reena and learn. I'm going to recreate this once again for you. So please join me in Cook with Reena and learn how to make this delicious Thai chicken green curry. So viewers, let's get started. So viewers, my today's recipe is green Thai curry, and for that Thai curry, the most primary thing is to get the Thai curry paste, green curry paste. So these are the all ingredients with which I shall make the paste, and after making the paste, then we shall put it in the curry and it will become Thai curry paste. You can make it vegetarian, non-vegetarian, with fish or meat, anything, or purely with vegetables. So दोस्तों, व्यूअर्स, आज मैं एक थाई डिश बनाने जा रही हूँ, थाई ग्रीन करी। तो उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा हमको जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट जो है, जो की इंग्रेडिएंट है उसका, वो है करी पेस्ट। थाई पेस्ट जो है वो बनानी ज़रूरत है। तो वैसे तो अब बाज़ार में भी मिल जाती है, लेकिन अगर घर में सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हों तो क्यों ना हम घर में ही बना लें। उसकी जो फ्रेशनेस होगी वो बाज़ार वाले डब्बे बंद चीज़ों में कहाँ मिलेगी। तो उसके लिए मैं ये सारे आइटम जो है वो पेस्ट बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होंगे, और पेस्ट बनाने के बाद जो भी करी हम बनाना चाहें, चाहे वो वेजिटेरियन हो, नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो, ये पेस्ट उस पर ज़रूर डलेगा। तो मैं बता देती हूँ क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं इसमें। सबसे पहले है ये, मैंने देखिए हरा धनिए के डंडियाँ ली हैं मेनली। इनकी जड़ें भी बहुत काम आती हैं। जड़ें, पत्ते कम हैं, डंडियाँ हैं और जड़ें हैं। और ये है बेसिल, ये सब मेरे घर के उगे हुए हैं। ये है हरे में है लाइम लीव। काफ़ी लाइम का इस्तेमाल होता है, काफ़ी लाइम तो घर पे नहीं होता है। मेरे घर में नींबू का पेड़ लगा हुआ है, गंधराज नींबू, उसका फ्लेवर बिल्कुल काफ़ी लाइम जैसे ही है। तो मैं हमेशा थाई करीज में उसी का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ। और ये उसी नींबू के पेड़ से मैंने नींबू निकाला हुआ है, गोंधराज नींबू, बहुत ही बेहतर खुशबू वाली। और ये है अदरक। अगर आपके पास गलंगल है तो गलंगल डालिए। तो गलंगल मेरे पास ड्राई थी तो मैंने सोचा अदरक ही डालते हैं। हरी मिर्च ली है काफ़ी सारी, ये आपकी मर्ज़ी है, जितना मिर्च आप तीखा खाना चाहें उसके हिसाब से ले सकते हैं। और ये जो ली है मैंने, ये मैं आगे ला के दिखाती हूँ। ये है लेमन ग्रास को मैंने बीट कर लिया है। मैं आपको लेमन ग्रास दिखाती हूँ। ये भी मेरे घर से मैंने अभी निकाले थे। वो पॉड, मतलब आपको दिखाने से पहले गलती से मैंने इसको क्रश कर लिए। मैं इसका पौधा दिखाती हूँ आपको। ये देखिए, बाकी जड़ें और पत्ते हैं। नीचे का सिर्फ हिस्सा, जो मोटा हिस्सा होता है नीचे का, वो इस्तेमाल होता है, और बाकी ये सब फेंकना नहीं है। इसका बहुत बढ़िया लेमन टी, आइस टी बन सकता है। तो इसको मैंने अभी गर्म पानी में भिगो के रखा हुआ है। ये इतनी सारी जो खुशबू है उसी पानी में छोड़ देगा। उसके बाद लिया है मैंने लहसुन, 2 शैलेट्स, बेबी अनियन लिए हैं, और ये हैं कुछ मेरे चिलगोज़े। और ड्राई मसालों में चाहिए होगा, क्यूमिन सीड्स को मैंने हल्का सा टोस्ट कर लिया है, धनिया भी, और ये मैंने ब्लैक पेपर की जगह मेरे पास ग्रीन पेपर पड़े थे, केरला से मंगवाया था मैं, क्योंकि ग्रीन करी है तो मैंने सोचा ग्रीन पेपर का इस्तेमाल किया जाए, तो मैं ग्रीन पेपर डाल रही हूँ इसमें। और ये लेमन का मैं जेस्ट निकाल लूँगी और इसका जूस भी ले लूँगी, आधे लेमन का जूस ले लूँगी। ये सारा पेस्ट बना के इसमें पेस्ट बना के ये हमारा करी पेस्ट शुरू हो जाएगा, तैयार हो जाएगा। सो व्यूअर्स, आई शैल let you know the ingredients which I am using for the Thai curry paste. I am repeating it because I don't want to make two separate videos for Hindi version and English version. So in together in single video I am explaining in Hindi and English also. So these are coriander stems and roots you can take. Wash it nicely and then use it. And these are basil leaves. These are all homegrown. And this is lime leaf. I have Gondharaj Lebu plant it at my home. So instead of kaffir lime, I am using this leaf because it has excellent flavor. It can compete with kaffir lime. So I am using this. And this is ginger. And these are green chilies. And these are lemongrass. I have crushed it. I was showing the lemongrass. These are the lemongrass plant. I plucked it from my garden, and I have used only the root side, this main stem. I have crushed it, and it has best flavor in it. And rest I am not going to throw. I'll put it in the water and make some iced tea, lemon flavored iced tea. And then of course the garlic and shallots if you have. I have taken 2 baby onions, and these are pine nuts. And in dry ingredients I have taken cumin seeds. I have toasted it lightly, and these are coriander seeds. And I have used sun-dried green pepper instead of black pepper. Since I sourced it from Kerala, so I thought instead of black pepper I shall use this green pepper in the curry paste. So I'll put everything together in the this jar and blend it. First thing I am putting these green chilies, 2 quarts of I need to put some water in it. From leaves I'll take out this main stem. This is not possible to crush ground, so I'll make small pieces and put it in the jar. I have crushed the ginger also, and these shallots, everything I'm putting together now, and the lemongrass. Also the pine nuts. Lastly, I'll put some water and lemon juice. First the lemon juice. And some water. Also these dry masalas. Now I'll add some extra virgin olive oil in this. See, this is the paste. Two tablespoons olive oil. Swirl once again. Zoom. So you can see the color of the paste is perfect. Neither very dark nor light. It's slightly pistachio green. So our paste is ready. Now we shall start making our curry. So now for Thai chicken curry, green chicken curry, I am putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pan was hot, so oil is also hot. Now I shall add the dried chicken. Saute just for 2 to 3 minutes. This will get boiled with the curry. Now I am putting the curry paste, green curry paste. This recipe of this Thai green curry paste I have already shared in my previous video. Please follow that. I'll share the link in the description box also. So this is the key ingredient. So you have to make this green paste, and if you make it at home, nothing like it. There are store-bought, but homemade are homemade. And making this not a time-consuming. Only thing you have to collect the ingredients. If you have the ingredients, make the curry paste in no time, and the curry will be made within 10 minutes, not more than that. You will see it. Store-bought pastes are already sauteed, so you have to just mix it with the meat and stir and put the coconut milk. But you know the aroma I am getting, it is incomparable with any store-bought paste. So follow the recipe, make it at home, and you will love it. Now I shall add the vegetables also. Few vegetables. You know, generally in meat curry, vegetables are not used, but in my house they love vegetables along with the meat. So I am adding some bell peppers, zucchini, bamboo shoots. So it will bring the color to the curry and of course the taste too. So vegetables and meat, they are well sauteed with the curry paste. Now it's time to add the key ingredient, the coconut milk. I have some chicken stock also. I'll add, instead of water, I'll use that stock. So adding the stock. I have not added salt till now. Now I'll add the salt. It's best to see how much consistency you want to keep, and accordingly you can add the salt. In the paste also I had not added salt, so it is the time to add the salt now. I shall taste it. Little more, that will do. Wow. So I shall cook it covered, not more than 4 to 5 minutes. I'll come back after that. I have served this dish like this: Thai chicken green curry. You can serve it with steamed rice, piping hot steamed rice. That is the best combination. And if it's jasmine rice, nothing like it. So viewers, do follow the recipe and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you soon with another recipe.